Yo, what is up? So last video, I already taught you how to deposit or activate using the 100 deposit bonus. So in today's video, we are going to uh deposit using the 50% deposit bonus. So why does the PO Prime give a 50% deposit bonus? It's because I already teach you that uh the 100 deposit bonus of the PO Prime um, can be used, or it is only used for a one-time deposit bonus for the first-time customers. So subsequently, so the next time you deposit, you will, as you can see right here, receive a 20% deposit bonus. So the PU Prime gave you a 50% deposit bonus so that you can maximize your deposit funds up to 10K deposit bonus. So how can we activate the 50% deposit bonus? Okay, so as you can see here in my uh, link, so first thing you need to do is go to number one, promotions. Okay, so in the promotion page, you can see a 100 deposit bonus. So once you click the 100% deposit bonus, you will see an icon of OPT out right here. As you can see right here, OPT out. So you need to cancel this thing or make it, you can off it. Please make sure you do not have any open trades. Okay, so once you confirm that you OPT out these promotions, okay, this will appear now in OPT in. So it is a confirmation that your deposit bonus of this 100% deposit bonus page has not been uh, activated. So as you can see right here on the link in the left part of this video, we have now the 50% deposit bonus. Okay, so you deactivated this 100% deposit bonus, which is in the OPT out. Now, the 50% deposit bonus has appeared. Okay, so click the 50% deposit bonus and then, okay, click the OPT in now. Okay, so you need to activate the 50% deposit bonus so that you will granted a 50% when you deposit on your funds. Okay, same thing. The next will no happen. Okay, these are all activated now. So you can deposit. So that is the only thing you need to do so that you will get extra 50% deposit bonus. So you need to first deactivate this 100% deposit bonus and then click the 50% deposit bonus and then activate it. That's all you need to do. So make sure you need to check all the process so that there is no trouble when you deposit in your funds.